Morning, everyone. It's 8:30 on Monday morning, the 31st of January. A lot of people saying, "Thank God the month is over." It was ugly. Okay, this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1129 for this Monday morning. There's really not a lot of news around. Things are pretty much status quo with Russia and Ukraine, although most people now believe it's pretty much in the cards that something will happen. Just nobody is sure exactly when. Asia and Europe were both higher. China is actually closed today for Lunar New Year's Eve, so they're half a day ahead of us, or they're a full day ahead of us, and so that should be a little less of an influence. And as I said, Europe is higher. Um, Fed Governor Bostic coming out and smacking the market, saying 50%, 50, half a basis point, 50 basis points, I'm sorry, if needed as inflation dictates. Well, that's not new news. I mean, I wish some of these guys would just learn to shut up. And, they love seeing their name in print. But the fact of the matter is that last week, Jay Powell said, we're not looking at 50%, 50 basis points. And frankly, if they needed to raise it 100 basis points, if necessary, again, if necessary. So I don't think that we're looking at 50 basis points here. And frankly, as I said, I wish these guys would just put their head down and do their job. Citrix, CTXS, going private, Elliott Management, and Vista. Going private at 104, and that is not a takeover, that is a take under. The stock closed at 105.55 on Friday and is currently trading 103.75, down 375. So not all deals are great deals. T-Mobile is going to fire all employees who are not vaccinated by April. I can't even comment on that. Uh, I'm sure that there'll be a lawsuit of some sort just because that's who we are. But, I applaud them. If you can't make a safe workplace, then screw it. You shouldn't be running a business. As far as futures go, we have the grains up again. We have oil up again. Oil is 87.12. That's up 31 cents. Nat gas is up again 17 cents, but it was 24 cents higher at 505.70. Last is 481. 2, and the low is 480.2. Gold has been a little bit higher. It's up about $5 right now, 470 exactly, and silver is up about a quarter. Copper, platinum, and palladium all higher. As far as the stock futures, they were kind of wishy-washy last night, started to the upside, came back in, but Bostic's comments this morning really sent them reeling. However, NASDAQ has regained. Uh, it was about 70 or 80 points lower. It's now up $2. The S&P, which is down 18, was down 28. The Dow, which is down 190, was down 290. So that's a little bit better. Bitcoin down a little, Ethereum up a little. The dollar basically unchanged right now, down a dime, and the bonds are selling off. All right, everyone. Have a good morning. I'll be back later.